Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Well, I just got on that tractor and I moved this mulch over here. And this chip mulch I had just to make come out a little farther out on this grassy area here to knock that grass down. I didn't want it getting over into those blackberries. So hopefully this will just push it back a little bit, and came around the end here. Kind of push it back here on this end, keep that grass back. And got my soaker hose in, 50 foot, just about exactly what I had here as far as the length of the bed. So we're good there. So at each one of these little spots here where I've got this little stakes, little bamboo sticks sticking up, we're going to plant something. Mostly peppers, tomatoes, and zucchini. And I'll probably wrap my zucchini cages with that lightweight cloth to try to keep the cucumber beetles and the squash bugs down as long as I can. I haven't ever planted any zucchini over here before, so hopefully there won't be any squash bug eggs in this mulch that'll hatch underneath that row cover. But I'm going to have to put that row cover on those zucchini and see if I can't keep it on there quite a while. Let them get up, get to almost their blooms, and then try to keep that pressure off them as long as I can. Okay, in an earlier video I told you that this year I wasn't going to plan anything off just the spur of the moment, which I do sometimes and come back and regret, but I did it. I looked at this area here and I said we weren't going to plant anything this year because there's just too much shade just developing from the peach trees and the blackberries here. But I ran across the idea of peas. I've never really tried to grow peas before. So, peas, I can start them now and they'll grow pretty much all the way until these peach trees start leafing out. So I should be able to, because it gets so hot here so early in the spring that they're not going to last anyway. So, planted them in January, so they say around January 20th. Let me find them here. Let's see. And they're just starting to poke their little heads up. We can stay away from any really cold weather. Let's see, there's another one. Right. Where you at, buddy? Right in there somewhere. There he is, right there. If we can keep away from any real cold weather, they can handle, I read they can handle down to 30 degrees. There they are popping up right there. So we're going to try peas for the first time here on the old homestead, Pecan Hill Farms. I got them all along here. I use these tomato cages as like trellises. I just planted them around them, each one of them. And then I use that cattle panel to plant them on either side of that. I think those are sugar snap down there, and these are just more traditional shelling peas along here. And then over here in this bed I had some left over, so I put them in here and they're just starting to sprout up. So another one over there coming up right there. So hopefully we'll have peas. I like peas. A lot of people don't like peas, but I like peas. And my wife's going to be retired, so she can help shell the peas. Keep her busy, out of trouble. So anyway, then I went around, and here in the old new blackberry bed here, I planted potatoes. I planted them on the corners here, and down the sides. There's about 10 plants in there. I don't think they'll interfere too much with the blueberry growth. We'll see. So we'll interesting to see how those come out. I might have mentioned that earlier. And then I planted one in my old, you know, if you got tires laying around the house or behind the shed or wherever, go ahead and stack them up like this. Pour some potting soil or down in there and plant them. Use them as planters. One great thing about it, the sun warms up those tires in the early spring, and you'll get really good germination because they'll just transfer that warmth into the potting soil. That way it gives that a purpose, and you can do something with those old tires that are laying around. These were left here when I moved in, and so I use them. So I got a potato planted in there. So anyway, so we're almost there. We're getting ready. A few things of more left to do. I got to prune all these peach trees back. Not too much. I might have pruned too much last year. Maybe the reason why I didn't get any very much good peach production, I'm not sure. But do a little more work on these pear trees and the peaches. So we're getting close. I got things. My seedlings are growing in the shop. I got to prune those peach trees out on that end, and so we're getting close. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.